So hi guys, I'm here and I'm back for another unboxing, and this is Gugudan's first mini album, I think. Yeah, mini album. So this is Wonderland Act 1 The Little Mermaid. So let's just remove the plastic thing just to get rid of some of the glare. Yeah, here are the members. Then the side says Wonderland. Then the back is just really nice art, to be honest. Really nice typography. Then the track list is here. So yeah, I guess I know that you'll get like 2 cards for this. So let's just remove the cards first. I'm really hoping to get Sejong. Yeah, I'm really hoping to get Sejong. Because she's the only one that I'm collecting, so yeah. So the CD looks like this, really nice, really cute. The back is just mostly, I think, just art, like there's a shell there. Very different concept from A Girl Like Me and Narcissus. So yeah, the photo book is weird. It's like this. Yeah, let's check it. Yeah, we'll start. So there's like a storybook thingy going on, but I'm not gonna read that in this video. We have Hana and Sejong, then Nayeon, Kevin. We have, I think this is Mimi, or was it Sally? I think this is Sally. So the first one should have been me. The earlier one is Mimi, I guess. We have Mina. We have Soy. Then we have Taeyeon. Their names are kind of, confusing. So very similar art with the one that I unboxed earlier, Oh My God's coloring book, has the same aesthetic. So I apologize, the video got cut just cause my brother knocked on my window. So we have an ad here. Then I think it's the same order. Photoshoot is very simplistic though. Nothing really outstanding, I guess. But it's nice, it's okay. It's like a good photoshoot to see what the girls look like. It's not overly conceptual, but it gets the point across. Although I wish we did get some underwater shots or something. Or something that involves water. It's because I feel like this photo shoot didn't cost him that much on our outside. That's like barely. That's like outside the building of the of the studio or something. So we have the lyrics, the credits, and the lack of gluing again. So the cards that I got, really hoping for Sejong, but I don't really know if I'm gonna get her. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Hana. Wow, isn't she popular though? So I got both of her cards. I wonder if you're supposed to get both of their cards at the same album. So yeah, I don't know, but these cards are for trade for Sejong. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Please let me know if you have any questions, I guess, or something. I don't know. I don't know why I said that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.